Assalamu alaikum. This is Miss Kiran, the SAT School Learning Management System, Grade 4 Subject Science, Topic Light and Sound, Subtopic Light and its Type. Learning Outcomes. At the end of this unit, you will be able to define light, explain the types of light, natural source and artificial source of light, describe the properties of light. Do you know what is light? Yes, light is a form of energy. It is all around us. It travels in straight lines, called rays. When light enters our eyes, we can see the things. Sunbeams are light rays coming from the sun. Do you know, students? Light appears colorless, but in fact consists of 7 different colors. These 7 colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. We also call it Vibgyor. Did you know? Light travels with the speed of 300 million meters per second. Thus, the light of the sun reaches us in 8 minutes. We can see the things when light hits the things. It bounces off. Some of the light reaches our eyes. That's why we are able to see the things. Types of light. There are two sources of light, natural source and artificial source. Objects that give off their own light are called luminous objects. Luminous objects are of two types, natural object and artificial object. Sun, stars, firefly are natural luminous objects because they are natural sources of light. Bulb, lamp, torch are artificial sources of light that can be controlled by us. Look at the first picture. Can you identify the natural source and artificial source of light? Yes, you are right. Sun is a natural source, while candle and bulb are artificial sources of light. The brightness of light is its intensity. The intensity or brightness of light from a candle is lower than the intensity of light from a torch or lamp. Non-luminous objects. Non-luminous objects are those objects which do not give off their own light. They become visible when light from luminous objects fall on them. Earth, moon, table, chair, books. These are the examples of non-luminous objects. Properties of light. Reflection of light. When light falls on an object, a part of it bounces off. This bouncing back of the light is called reflection of light. For example, look at this picture. When sunlight falls on the tree, some of the light bounces off and reaches the eye. It enables us to see the things. Light can completely pass through certain materials like glass, lens, plastic, cellophane, etc. These materials are called transparent materials, and the materials which allow some light to pass through it, for example, tissue paper, tracing paper, skin, nails, these are called translucent materials. Materials which do not allow light to pass through it completely, for example, wood, stone, bricks, metal, wall, these are called opaque materials. When light falls on an opaque object, it cannot pass through it. This forms a shadow of the object. Shadow depends on the intensity of light, the size of the object, and distances. When you move the object closer to the light source, shadow cast on the screen becomes larger. Important points. Now in the end I am going to share some important points. Light travels in a straight line called rays. Light travels with the speed of 300 million meters per second. Things that give off their light are called luminous objects, while things which do not give off their light are called non-luminous objects. Luminous objects are of two types, natural and artificial. Sun, stars, firefly are natural luminous objects. Bulb, tube light, torch are artificial luminous objects. Tree, car, book, chair, earth and moon are non-luminous objects. Light can completely pass through transparent materials. Some light can pass through the translucent materials. Opaque materials do not allow light to pass through it and they form shadows. Thanks for watching. Be happy and stay safe.